Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can install custom watch faces on your Apple Watch, especially my own Apple Watch custom faces, and it's free to do so. And I have my own watch faces I have created, and I will do more for Apple Watch later on. You find them on a link down below in the description text. They are on my web page, and to do so it's very easy. First you need to go to App Store on your iPhone and install the app Clockology. As you can see here, I've already installed it. Just click on install. It's free, so you don't have to pay for the Pro version if you don't want that, because my watch faces only will be replicas of real watches, so you don't need to have the weather and all that. So just go for the free version of Clockology and be sure that it will be installed into your Apple Watch by going to the Apple Watch settings and scroll down to see that you don't have any app down here that you want to install. So you should see Clockology there. Then you know that Clockology is installed on your Apple Watch, and you can check this too, that it really is installed on your Apple Watch. And after that you need to go into Settings, General in your Apple Watch app on your iPhone, and scroll down to where you see Return to Clock, as you see there. Go into Return to Clock. As you see here, the normal default is 2 minutes, and I think you should have 2 minutes still, because that is what you want on all other apps. But in this list, scroll to Clockology and choose Clockology. Here, set Clockology to 1 hour. That means that when you have the Clockology app open with your beautiful watch face from me, then it will always be on your watch, because you have chosen to have 1 hour. And trust me, 1 hour is more than enough, because in an hour you will wake up your watch even if you don't want it. So during 1 hour you will at least wake it up once, and from doing that 1 hour will be counted from the beginning again. So 1 hour is more than enough. By doing so, you will have a custom time for that app. All other apps will be 2 minutes. So that is the only settings you need to do on your iPhone and Apple Watch, really. After that you go into the Clockology app on your iPhone. Here you have different watch faces for your watch, but if you want to install my watch faces, you need to go to my web page and download them from there. And as I said, you have a link down below in the description text where to go and download them. After that you click on this icon here at the top. You can import watch faces. So click on that. Here we have some downloaded watch faces and also my own watch faces. As you can see here, we have a blue version of my Rolex. We can, for example, just for see the difference, install a custom one that I made in a more red color, like this. As you see down here now, I have an orange red version of the Rolex. This is not a replica, because this color is not on the Rolex Explorer watch, but I made it just for fun actually. So I have that now to show you how to do it. But the blue version, there is actually one blue Rolex Explorer for real, but also a black, and I have a black version too on my website. So On my website you will find a black version and a blue version. But now when we have this, just be sure that you have Clockology open, then click on the sync button. Now it should, as you see there, it starts syncing, and now it's installed on my Apple Watch, as you can see. So that is how easy it is to install my watch faces after you have downloaded them. When you click on import here, you can go to any folder, because this is the Files app on your iPhone, so you can have different watches here. That's great. See, if I want to install a black version of my watch face, I think this is it. Let's see. As you can see here, here's the black version, the original black version of Rolex Explorer. So if I click on that, be sure that you have Clockology app open. Sometimes you have to click more than once, but now, as you can see, I have a black version of my Rolex Explorer watch face installed on my watch. That's great. So if I now want to have my blue version again, I click on the blue. As you see here, sometimes you have the wrong color on the thumbnail because iCloud hasn't updated the image for that yet. It's cached with the latest colors. So now if I open the blue version and click on install, you will see it soon will be installed, like so. Sometimes, as I said, it will not be installed correctly, as you see here, no hands. So click once more. Then it should install after a while, like so. So sometimes you need to do it twice or so, but that's just a sync bug, I guess, but it will work after a while. So that is how easy it is to install custom watch faces on your Apple Watch. And you have some neat features. You can, at the top of your watch, you can click and hold, it needs to be awakened. So click at the top, then you can scroll down and see your notifications. The same with the bottom. If you do that, you can go to the settings of the watch. If you click in the middle and hold, you can see stuff like steps and so on if you want. So that is quite neat to do. You can see your notifications and you can see your settings. I think that's what you need to know. I didn't show my website and so on, but you will find links down below in the description text where you go on my website to find my brand new Rolex Explorer watch face for Apple Watch. You will find it in blue and in black. Actually, this is a fine tweaked blue version that I haven't uploaded yet. I think this is more beautiful than the first one that I have on my website, so I will probably update that blue version to this one when I got the time. But I think this is it. I think it's very easy to do. If you follow this video, you know exactly how you can install custom watch faces on your Apple Watch. I think it's beautiful. And another neat trick is that you can have a complication on your normal Apple Watch faces, so you can quickly go to your Clockology watch face. So that's it. Please like this video and please share this video to others, and please share my links to my watch faces. I don't like when people steal my watch faces and so on. I appreciate if you link to my website instead of uploading it on other websites and so on. There is so many that steal my watch faces for both Wear OS and now Apple Watch. If I see that more do that more often, I will stop doing watch faces because I don't think that's fair. And please like my watch faces and say thank you by turning off your ad blocker in your website, please, when you are on my website. Okay, bye.